want to take that? Sure.
So this is the rail that you're going to be installing right here. This bracket is going to be attached to this rail using these number 8 screws. There are the number 8 truss head screws. You got like 21 of them in the bag. And you're going to use these little caps nuts right here. Measure out 24 inches on this rail. It's going to be right here. Set the rail on there for 24 inches. Where you put the screws there and there. So that is hole 3 and 4 that we're going to be installing the caps nut on to get to 24 inches. You could put a hole, could put a screw right here in this 4th hole. However, you said your rack was a little bit less than 24 inches. Open the rail up to where you have the outer track. Again, the holes are there and there that we're going to install the screws. Turn it over. Take the caps nuts, drop them in, flip it back over, the rail on, caps nuts on, just barely finger tight. Measure the rails again, 24 inches. Tighten everything down, install it in your rack.